In project management, it's not uncommon to commence a project by brainstorming tasks or putting together a work breakdown structure in a spreadsheet like Microsoft Excel. So you might wonder, well, is it possible to import that data from Microsoft Excel into Microsoft Project? Well, the good news is you can, and I'm going to show you step by step how to do this in this video. Now, our goal in this particular activity is to import all of this information from this Microsoft Excel file, this concrete slab, the time required, into Microsoft Project. So let's see how we can do that. So this process starts in your Microsoft Project opening screen, as you can see here. And to begin with, you're going to firstly select Open, and then click your Browse option here in the Open page. And then the next step is to find your Excel file that you're going to use. Once you've located a folder in which you're going, where your file exists, click on that. And the important thing is to, instead of opting for projects, select Excel Workbook. And there is our example file there, concrete slab. So we are going to open that Excel file. And then the next step is it'll take us through the project import wizard. So we're going to click next. This is going to be a new map, or in other words, it's going to try and map the relevant columns in Microsoft Excel to the relevant columns in your Microsoft Project worksheet. So click yes. How do you want to import this file? It's going to be a new project. Now we are going to select tasks because that's the information that is contained in our Excel file, and import includes headers. Agree with that and continue. Now this is where the mapping takes place. So we are going to nominate sheet 1, which is where the data is contained in the Excel file. Concrete slab tasks are the actual tasks, and we want it mapped to a Microsoft Project field. So our task name in Microsoft Project is simply name. So let's go down and select name. Time required is duration in this example. So let's select duration there, and you can see underneath here, you can see a preview as to what we can expect in our Microsoft Project file. So we'll click next. Now it offers us the opportunity to save this map, and that's quite useful if you are going to be doing this on multiple occasions. But in this particular case, we'll let this go and we'll just go finish. And look at this, we have everything in our Excel file as so. Now from previous videos, you would have noticed that I prefer auto scheduled, so I'm going to select those as all auto scheduled, and then we are going to insert a summary task, and we'll call that concrete slab and make that auto scheduled. We can then indent all of those tasks to neatly form this up, and we're well underway with starting to put together our predecessors. And in fact, if we just automatically assumed or one task led to another like so, we've got the formation here of a useful Gantt chart straight from Microsoft Excel. So very, very useful tool if you're accustomed to starting your project in Microsoft Excel. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and please let me know if you have subscribed. I'd love to keep the conversation going.